What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hello. I hope you guys have had an amazing week or couple weeks. I don't know, I forget the last time I uploaded, but I'm very excited about today's video. We are going to be trying out some makeup slash skincare from the brand The Organic Skin Company. I received a tester bag from our friends over at Prism. Thank you so very much for sending this to me. And there are some amazing goodies in here that I want to try out and share my experience with you guys, because I took a look at these goodies before I decided to hop on here and do this video with you all, and let's just say I absolutely love them. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. I ask you guys to please subscribe and like this video if you can, and let's get started, shall we? Alright, so I have the bag here and I want to show you guys what I got. I also want to read a little bit of what is on the card that came with the products, just to give you guys a general background. So they focus on your skin. We're world leaders in the use of revolutionary skin nourishing supercritical extracts. The planet, every time you buy a product, you plant a tree. Your peace of mind, our organic ingredients are all certified, and we're proudly vegan and cruelty free. First, starting off, we have the Task Force 9 Calendula and Turmeric Cream. This little bad boy right here, it says with 9 key ingredients including organic calendula and turmeric supercritical extracts, this multitasking powerhouse will come to the rescue when your skin needs a little TLC. And honey, my skin always needs some TLC, okay? I don't know about anyone else, but I treat my skin like I treat my children, with love, care, and a lot of attention, okay? We have the Eyes Have It, infused with pomegranate and calendula supercritical extracts. This eye cream shadow offers extraordinary color with a little dash of goodness. And this is the packaging for the cream eyeshadows. Once again, very simple and basic and really gorgeous. So I'm going to just open this up here and just show you guys. So this is the first shadow. It seems to be like a charcoal sort of color. It just says Silhouette is the name of the shadow, but it sort of has like a dark charcoal color to it. I do like dark eyeshadows. I do feel like they're a little more difficult to work with, but I'm gonna try to give it my all, you guys. I don't know, cream shadows, I like cream shadows, but the thing is, I like cream shadows that are more on the light side as far as like shade is concerned, like very neutral shades, because they're easy to blend and you sort of can just use your finger. And if you know what I mean, with dark shades you got to be a little more precise and have a little more precision, because believe me, they can get all over the place, and I'm pretty sure you guys can understand where I'm coming from with that. Okay, so the next shade we have here is this one right here, and it seems to be a metallic green. That is a gorgeous shade. This is called Green Stone. I actually love this shade. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Look at that. So this is Silhouette right there, and this is Greenstone. Ooh, yes. This is the Cheeky Lips Pod, and it is in the shade Spice. It says a multitasking cream for the perfect natural flush in a pout to match. Yes, sign me up. Man, I am the absolute worst when it comes to packaging. Like, it took me like 5 minutes to open this. Can you believe that? I'm ridiculous. Anyway, this is the shade of the lip and cheek sort of pod. I just want to dip my finger in here real quick and just do a quick swatch, just to give you guys a general idea before we actually use it. So that is what it looks like at the moment. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Task Force 9 Calendula and Turmeric Cream, and that's this little bugger right here. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand here. Look at that color. It's definitely the turmeric. I can tell you that much. I honestly was just using this turmeric cream not too long ago, and I didn't really like it because I felt like it was like it sort of left like an orange cast on my skin. So, you know, you got to be a little careful when it comes to turmeric. It was an all-natural face cream product, so that probably explains a lot. But immediately right off the bat, as I'm massaging it into my skin, I can honestly tell you it's very lightweight. It is moisturizing. There's a slight scent to it. Nothing too strong or crazy, but I can definitely smell a bit of fragrance there. But it's literally absorbing into my skin as I'm massaging it into my face. Yes, I love the ingredients, and honestly, I feel like it gives your skin a bit of a glow. I don't know if that's just me, but I'm definitely seeing a glow going on here, you know, in the cheek area, up on the forehead, so I love that, okay? Any kind of face cream that sort of just helps my skin look like it's glowing from within, I am here for it, okay? I love face creams like that. Moving on, we are going to go in with the eyes, which I am super freaking nervous. I'm not going to be using my fingers, you guys, because they are dark pigments, and I feel like it's just so messy using your fingers with dark pigments, okay? So I'm going to use some makeup brushes, and I hope that it doesn't like take away from the actual product. We're gonna start off with the charcoal color. Pray for me. There we go. So that's on there, and I'm just gonna start here. This is definitely taking a lot more work than I anticipated. That's just from my personal opinion. Also, please keep in mind, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm not skilled in the area of makeup. I just know how to apply my own makeup, you know, on a daily basis, and I'm pretty sure that's how it is for most people, you know? Like, a makeup artist isn't a common thing, you know? You gotta get trained and go to school, and it's a skill. So, you know, I'm just speaking from the perspective of someone who just wears makeup every single day, you know, and is just coming from a standpoint of a person who doesn't have much skill and has to work with what she has. So anyway, we are going to move on to greenstone now. I blended it as much as I could. If I need to go back in and fix it, I will. We're now going to move into this beautiful shade right here. I'm actually really excited to move into this shade because I feel like it is just going to look so gorgeous. Alright, so I'm going to put on some liner, a little bit of mascara, sort of, you know, add a little bit of the silhouette to the under eye, and then I will come back and we will go from there. Applied some mascara and liner, kept it simple, kept it basic, and this is the ending result, the overall result. It actually doesn't look half bad. It looks pretty nice. I mean, for like a smoky eye, I guess you can say. The only issue that I do have with these cream eyeshadows is that they're very oily. The simple touch of an eye, or, you know, the product moves, and ultimately I feel like at the end of the day, my eyes would just look a wretched mess. Especially, you know, with the kind of environment that I work in, and with summer coming around the corner, like I definitely feel like these cream eyeshadows would not be ideal for any kind of hot weather conditions. So I don't know. I mean, they're nice, but they're not necessarily something that I personally would continue to purchase. I hate that I have to say that, because like they do have some pretty good ingredients in here, you know, pomegranate and calendula extract, but You know, the whole point of makeup is, you know, for it to have the ability to actually stay on your face. So I don't know, I kind of have mixed feelings about the eyeshadow. But we are going to move on to the last product here, and that is the lip and cheek pod. So that is what it looks like on my finger. I am just going to apply some to my face. It is a little darker than you know, the kind of blush I go for, but we're gonna try to make it work. We're gonna try. I'm debating on if I want to like put it over that area. I've been like really interested in like dragging my blush over my nose, but I don't know if that's a good idea. Oh, the hell with it. I applied some of the pod to my lips. I'm going to just apply a little bit more here. Okay, so I think out of all the products that I used today, this is my absolute favorite. I love this. I actually might go on their website and purchase a couple of these because these are so freaking amazing. I love these. Not only do they blend out so flawlessly on the skin and just leave a very beautiful, subtle sort of flush to the cheeks, but they look so amazing on the lips. Like, it gives just the right splash of color, and you know, there's no having to line the lips, there's no having to be precise. Like, you literally just apply some to your lips with your finger and you're done, and it gives your lips the perfect splash of color, and it just looks so beautiful. I mean, look at my lips right now. I mean, look at them, they're just gorgeous. Look at like the splash of color on my cheeks, like, and I even put a little bit over my nose, and like, you can't even really like tell, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just, it's very subtle and gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. I highly recommend these cheeky lip pods. These are great for everyday use, and these will really come in handy for me. You know, I have a extremely busy schedule, and I'm always on the run, and you know, just to be able to have a product where you can not only use it multi-purposely, like on your cheeks, on your lips, hell, you could probably even use this on your eyes if you wanted to. And but also it's super easy to apply. You just put your finger in and apply it and you're done. I absolutely love that, and this is really going to come in handy. So overall, with every product that I tried today, I would say that the face cream, the Task Force 9 face cream, is a go. I really love this, and the cheeky lip pods are a go. I really love this as well. The eyeshadows weren't really for me. It's not, you know, I wouldn't necessarily say they're terrible, but they're just not the kind of eyeshadows that I would go for, and it just seems like you have to put a lot of work into it to, you know, sort of blend them on your eyes to, you know, have them look good. So I don't know, I'm not really a fan of the eyeshadow, and you know, I just want to be straightforward and honest with you guys and just give you the real tea, you know, with these products. I would recommend, you know, you guys to try this brand for yourself. Sorry, my phone is dying. But anyway, I want to thank Prism Pop for giving me the opportunity to try these products. I want to thank you guys for watching. I will put a more detailed description of these products down below, and I will see you guys later. Peace, love, and happiness, everyone, and have a great week, you guys. Bye.